Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making a bulgur and green lentil dish. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the green lentil and bulgur dish. You'll need 1 cup of green lentils, 1 cup of bulgur number 3 with vermicelli pasta, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, 1 onion finely diced, and some vegetable stock. And this is how your green lentil and bulgur dish should look like. Serve it with some Assyrian salad and enjoy during summer or if you're a vegetarian or vegan. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!